At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, December 15, 2022, why is DarkPulse stock up 80% today? Sometimes, a little visibility is all a stock needs to go on a nice run. Shares of DarkPulse surged today after the company announced plans to list on the Nasdaq. This uplisting will be made possible via a merger agreement with Global System Dynamics. It's expected the company will go public in the first half of next year with a valuation of approximately $223 million. One stock bucking the otherwise red trend in the markets today is DarkPulse, DPLS. Shares of this small-cap provider of advanced technologies surged more than 100% at one point today. At the time of writing, shares of DarkPulse stock are up approximately 80%. This move follows an announcement from the company that it intends to list its shares on the Nasdaq exchange. Via a merger agreement with Global System Dynamics, DarkPulse will ultimately take the name Global System Dynamics, Incorporation and trade under a new ticker symbol, DARK. This merger is expected to close in first quarter or second quarter of next year, resulting in DarkPulse being delisted from the over-the-counter exchange. It's expected the combined entity will be worth approximately $223 million and carry an enterprise value of $145 million, with more than $100 million in cash on hand. Let's dive into whether this stock should be on investors' radar or not. What's going on with DarkPulse stock today? Any sort of uplisting announcement tends to garner significant attention among investors. Such is the case with DarkPulse today. A public listing improves a given company's visibility, coverage and liquidity, providing investors with explicit benefits. Accordingly, some sort of bump should be anticipated on this news. However, the fact DarkPulse stock more than doubled at one point today, actually surging more than 135% at its intraday peak, may indicate investors are a bit overzealous. This is an early-stage company focused on laser-based security management solutions. Though the company appears to be close to break-even, it's still unprofitable. And in this market, that's clearly not what investors want to see. That said, the company does have some significant growth catalysts worth considering. Its patents in a number of key technological areas are intriguing. Additionally, DarkPulse does have a segment focused on government business. That's a dependable revenue stream some long-term growth investors want to see. Perhaps this is the news the company needed to get some momentum. Time will tell. In many respects, this stock looks interesting, and I intend to follow it from here.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.